Makes it warm and snuggly.
You don't need a heater, you just need gas.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on the video.
At your pictures of him on the blog. I need to somehow get them off the blog and onto my iPhone because they're the best pictures.
I just love toes.
You love toes?
Oh, baby
Yes.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
You're going to be video
you doing?
too. Hi, Oliver.
I'm gonna go prepare lunch. Do you want some soup?
Hi. I think I'm good. I might snack on.
Would you mind washing Gus?
Yeah.
You didn't bring it in here?
Are they working in there?
I think they're pretty much done. They're
What do you think of what Gus thinking?
Oh, do I need to be quiet? I'm so sorry. Is Gus sleeping?
Because Gus is sleeping.
Okay. I'll just lower my voice. Oliver, I think he's having a hard time. Sorry.
I'm running his back.
Okay. Well, I'll just see if I can maybe get Oliver quiet.
Like you would care at home.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Baby.
Are you in love with your cousin?
Oh, I just love these moments.